Hello students, welcome back to our channel Learning Pathshala with Shona. Today I am going to teach you how to write small letter A to Z. First of all, you will practice curve. Then after that you will practice standing line. And watch the video till the end. So let's start. सबसे पहले हम बनाएंगे curve, then up to down and हल्का सा curve. A, standing line, then curve. B, and curve. C, curve, up to down standing line, then हल्की सी टेल निकालेंगे. D, E, E, standing line, then up to down curve, sleeping line. F, curve, up to down standing line and up curve. G, standing line, then sleeping, standing. H, standing line and dot. I, standing line, then up curve. J, standing line, then slanting line, K, standing line, L, M, curve, standing line, then standing line, then standing line, M, N, standing line, then standing line, N, curve and circle. O, then standing line, curve. P, Q, curve and standing line, slanting line. Q, then R, standing line, curve and curve. S, curve, then curve, right curve, left curve. S, standing line, then curve, sleeping line. T, U, up curve, then standing line, U, slanting line, V, standing line, standing. W, slanting line, X, standing, curve and standing. Y, slipping, slanting, slipping. Z,